Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Photos on Android with device storage tips, beginner guide step by step. To start backing up Google Photos on your Android device, first, open the Google Photos app. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Photos settings from the menu that appears. Next, tap on Backup and Sync. Switch on the toggle for Backup and Sync if it's not already enabled. Now, choose the account you want to backup your photos to, if prompted. Select the Upload Size option to choose your preferred photo quality for backup. You can pick between high quality for free unlimited storage or original quality for full resolution. Make sure the Mobile Data Backup option is turned on if you want a backup while using mobile data. To save space on your device, review your backup settings. Navigate back to the main settings page. Tap on Manage Device Storage. Enable Free Up Device Storage to remove photos already backed up. You can also select backup device folders to ensure that specific folders, like screenshots or videos, are included in the backup. Periodically check your backup status by returning to the Backup and Sync menu. This will help you confirm that all your important photos and videos are safely stored in the cloud. Lastly, consider organizing your photos by creating albums or tagging people to easily find them later. Now you're all set to back up your Google Photos on Android and manage your device storage effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.